Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. I hope you're having a great day. And this is my brother's pad, and he's got a basement right here. And this dirt has washed down that way and made it lower here than it is down here. So water's puddling right here. So I'm gonna power wreck some of this back. I'm gonna grade off this bank a little bit because it's a little bumpy right here. So we're gonna get with it. Can't get right there, the permagreen will get stuck. That looks like 10 pounds a thousand. That's about what you want to look like on bare dirt. Look at there. It's pretty. I missed him. He was taking a leak. Don't you hate it? Look, you got this much seed left before I have to open a new bag, and I've got this one little section right here to do. Dang it. What you got to do is rake it all out of the corners. Like that, get it all done in here, and you get your speed up before your spot, then you hit it. That's enough to go on that spot if I time it just right. Of course, I don't have a tripod to set up to show you, but you'll just have to, I'll see if I can make it work. Little 18-24-12 on this one. Where's your iPod?
Upstairs in Leah's room.
Why didn't you go get it?
I don't know.
You was too lazy to go get it, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it was time to go. I mean, I didn't have time.
Yeah, but you could have told Mama, say, hang on, Mama, let me go get my iPod right quick. And she would have said, okay, right? All right, well, looks like I got a little cleaning up to do. That's what happens when you play in the mud. Look at there. Nasty. But he got that brand new tractor right there. Look. I can shoot one of the headlights out. Look at that. That wouldn't be nice now, would it? All right, so there you go. Sorry I was rushing in the beginning because that rain was on the way. Well, we thought the rain was coming on the way, and then all of a sudden it went away. So, good deal. Let's look at this yard. All right, so what I just did was what I call power seeding, meaning this is about 30,000 square feet. It's loaded with crap. Crabgrass, where, you know, no pre-emergence. He don't do that stuff. I'm gonna help him kind of get on track. Crabgrass, dormant crabgrass everywhere. No Bermuda. He's lucky. No Bermuda. Got some broadleaf in here. stuff like that. Not worried about that. But this 30,000 square feet, I went ahead and put 250 pounds of seed and 300 pounds of 18-24-12. Now I put that much fertilizer down because he's never fertilized ever. And I didn't do a soil test, we didn't want to. The three main elements give it a real heavy shot. So you can see we done the grading work over there. He had some water issues and things like that. So we'll see how this comes out. We'll see. I'll bring you back next spring and we'll look at it over. But you can kind of see what we're dealing with here. It's just crap. That's what it is. And what I mean by definition of power seeding is meaning I go over and beyond on my material. I'll fertilize it pretty heavy. I'll seed it really heavy. And he used the Aeravator on it. You can see my seed. It's all in there. So we'll see how this turns out. All right, so there you go. We'll check it out in the spring. See what she looks like. See ya.